Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the rusty blades. Today we are going to be having a look at the new foil shaver from Stylecraft Pro. It is the Flex. Now this foil shaver does have a few different functions on there to what any other box shaver does. So we're going to run through those, have a look at it, have a look at the ergonomics of it. I will do a sound test because it does have 3 different speed settings, and I'll do a sound test on each one of those and see what it sounds like. Let's stop messing about and get straight into the Flex. Ooh. So this is the box for the Stylecraft Flex Shaver. I'm just going to turn this round. I'm going to read these out to you so you can have a little listen to what the specifications are. So it's got a super torque motor that's equipped with adjustable settings from a 6,000, 7,500 and 9,000 RPM. It has the digital LCD display so you can see the battery life and the RPM. It has a locking function that can be activated when the shaver is turned on and off. There's nothing more embarrassing than if you've got a bag and you're on public transport and your shaver starts going off, someone's going to think you've got a vibrator in your bag and that you're a little bit kinky.
Oh, kinky!
It has a curved ergonomic shape with a recessed thumb, so it's got a thumb indentation on there, so it's really comfortable in the hand. It's got the premium titanium foils with the integrated trimmer through the middle, so that's going to cut down the longer hairs and make it easier, and you're going to get a smoother shave. The USB-C rechargeable, so it's worldwide. You can charge that up on the go, or if you've got the charging dock, you can charge it on there. And it has a lithium-ion battery which provides 2 hours of cordless runtime, but this is dependent on what speed you have. So if you're using it at 9,000 RPM, it is going to run down a lot quicker. But that's the box. So now we're going to have a look at the actual shaver itself. So there's the 2 foils at the top and the bottom, and then you've got the cutter through the middle. Like I said, this is going to cut down the longer hairs. You've got the digital display here, the curved design, which I actually quite like. Some people have said they're not keen on the shape of it, but it actually makes sense because it's curved. You're not putting no strain on your wrist when you've got a normal box shaver, so I actually quite like that. I'm going to switch this on now. So this is switching it on. Just press it once. It's running at 6,000 RPM. You press the plus, it goes up to 7,500. And then you've got 9,000. So I'm just going to switch this off, and it has the battery indicator there as well. I've heard a few people say, but why would you want it at 6,000 RPM? So one advantage of having 6,000 RPM on here is the fact that when you come to the end of the fade and you're looking at the haircut, that line, the bottom line, just isn't going. Well, when you use it at 6,000 RPM, you can get in there with that, you turn it away and you can just flick away at the line. It's not going to take as much hair off, so it does make it easier to blend. So that is one advantage of having 6,000 RPM on a foil shaver. And also, if anyone has sensitive skin or children, you can go in with 6,000 RPM as well, and that's going to cause less irritation to people's skin. So I really like this shaver on first impressions. Let's see it in action. Right, so I've got Kieran in chair. I'm going to use 3 different shavers and we're going to see which one Kieran actually feels the nicest one. Right, close your eyes, Kieran, because I don't know which one to start with. First one. That's first one done. Second one. And the third one is right. Out of those, which one would you say was?
The last one felt the smoothest.
Did it?
Yeah.
The last one. So the last one was the new one. Yeah. Well, that's good to know that. If you're interested in any of the Stylecraft products, I will leave it in a link down below so you can go check that out. Use my code Rusty15, it'll save you 15%. Happy days, saves you a bit of money, gets me a little bit of a kickback, and it helps the channel out. There's not much else I can say. I've only just got this, but I wanted to get this video out. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in comments below whether you'll be purchasing one of these. So now I'm just going to flick over. We're just going to have a look, because I did say that I would do a decibel test on the 3 different levels of RPM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. I'll catch you in the next one.